guys, it's Monday morning, 7:30. Today, I'm going to give you a special big report. The only reason why is because there's less pressure on Cook's Bay during the week, guys. Okay, you can come out there and you have a great time hammer fish because we know you're conservationists and you just take pictures and then throw the fish back for another day. Anyway, let's get right into this morning's weather report. From the end of 89, we'll show you how the conditions are first thing, and I'm going to show you some pike that I boated myself. Anyway, let's get into this.
Okay guys, it's Monday morning, early. Nobody's out here. That means you should be coming out today, hammer some fish. Now, you see down that way, guys? That's the Holland River. In a couple weeks, every morning, what's going to happen? We're going to start seeing mist coming out of the river there. It's going to encase the whole south end. You might get lost in there, but the best pike fishing will be in a couple weeks. I'm going to show you, after this morning's report is over, I'm going to show you some pike that I nailed down there. Anyway, so that's it. First thing, Sunday morning. It's a great day. Lake Simcoe, deep water, Fox and Snake Island. It's a great day, guys. Nobody here, which means you should come out. Less pressure during the week. Talk to you real soon.
Okay guys, here's the video. I got it all prepped up ready for you. It's a couple of pike slams I've done over the years. Might give you a few locations around the bay. I show you what exclusive lure that I use to hammer these guys. Anyway, they're all a lot of fun to catch. Give it a shot. Remember, the best thing to do when you catch a fish, take some pictures, let it go. Here we go.
One, and there he goes. Not bad pike. Pike number one. Okay. There's the big one, guys. Nice fish. Have you unhooked the milk pan? There we go. Pike number two. A little bigger than the first one. Let's take a look and see what he looks like. Nice, eh? Anyway, pike number two. Let's get rid of him, okay? Great day.
guys. What did you think of that monster? I'm still excited about it. Anyway, I stopped rolling the film because I stopped to take some pictures to give you better quality, and I'm going to show them to you right when the show's over. Anyway, that's about all the time we got for today, Holiday Monday. Thanks for showing up, guys. We'll be talking to you real soon. Yeah.